What's up everyone, welcome to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be going over how to use ChatGPT for ad copy. So there's a million different ideas for coming up with ad copy with ChatGPT, and generally I wouldn't use ChatGPT when I'm creating advertising campaigns for really anything else when it comes to strategy or keyword research or anything like that. I'm generally just going to focus on using ChatGPT to give me ad copy quickly. So in this video, I'm going to go through 8 different prompts you can use for ad copy, and I'm also going to give you a document of all my prompts. So if we come here, you can see I already have all of these prompts here. So I will give you this document where you can easily download it, and then you can copy and paste these prompts and just change a few keywords around, change anything you need to make sure that the prompt fits exactly what you're promoting. Obviously, you're going to have to rewrite the product description and product benefits and selling points I have here. So to get started, what I did is I'm using a real product, the Colgate Optic White Comfort Fit LED Teeth Whitening Kit. I found a random product and I figured this would be good example for this video. And I pulled the product description by basically just copying and pasting this directly from their product page. And then product benefits and selling points, these I wrote a few of these myself. So basically just trying to pull in some different words: remarkable whitening results, advanced whitening, immediate results. So different words that will hopefully help jaw-dropping white teeth. So some different words that will help hopefully promote this product and give ChatGPT more ideas about some of the different benefits and selling points people are going to get if they do purchase this product. Now, a few things I want to show you before we get started is you may already be familiar with this, but if you see an advertisement for one of your competitors or even for you in Google Ads, what you can do is we can take this Colgate. So this will link directly to their product page here. But if we take this and we click on the 3 dots right here, one of the options you have, it's going to pull up My Ad Center. One of the options you have is clicking on See More Ads this advertiser has shown using Google. And what we can see here is it's showing ads from any time, ads shown in the United States in all formats. So if we scroll down, it's going to show all of the different advertisements that Colgate is running. So you can get an idea of some of the different headlines that they're using, some of the different description lines that they're using, different products they may be promoting. So you can do this with your competitors and actually look at their Google Ads. In addition to this, you can open up their Facebook page. So we're opening up the Colgate Facebook page. We're going to scroll to the bottom on the left-hand side, and we're going to find page transparency. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on See All under page transparency. And when we scroll to the bottom here, you're going to see Go to Ad Library. This page is currently running ads. So if the page is running ads, we can click on the ad library and see some of their advertisements. Okay, so they give us about 32 results here, and we can see some of the ads they're running. So some different things that aren't necessarily about this product, but then there are a few advertisements with the LED teeth whitening. So we can see right here, new Colgate Optic White Comfort Fit LED removes 10 years of stains in just 3 days. That's basically their go-to selling point that they're using in most of their advertisements. So we want to come up with some more ad copy and basically test our ad copy to say, okay, what is the ad copy that's going to work the best with the creative that we're running so that we can come up with the best possible ads and hopefully improve our conversion results. It's ultimately the goal of coming up with a lot of ad copy. So let's get into it with ChatGPT. And I've already done all of these prompts here. And the number one thing I can tell you is give ChatGPT information. If you're giving ChatGPT more information about the product names you'd like to use, obviously this is a very long product name that takes up a ton of characters, so it's not necessarily going to be able to be used easily. So we can do Comfort Fit LED Teeth Whitening Kit, Colgate Optic White, and then obviously the full product name here. Product description, product benefits, and then we have our keyword here. Obviously, if you are running these prompts, you need to update all of this with your business information, whatever it is that you're promoting, whatever product or services it may be. So let's start with the first 2 are really going to be for Google Ads. So we have 30 character headlines, 90 character descriptions. Now the reason I've chosen these is because text ads on Google Ads, specifically responsive search ads, headlines, 30 characters. We can enter up to 15 headlines, and then we can create our 90 character description lines. Now there are other ad formats like Performance Max where you can have 60 character descriptions. So as I go through this, I do different character counts. If you need to update your character count, even if you're running ads on another channel and you're saying, I need 70 characters for this specific advertisement. For example, LinkedIn, you may want something that's 70 characters or less. So you could do that and just update the characters. So this doesn't have to be specific to Google Ads or Facebook ads. You're basically just saying, can you write me ad copy and give me some different variations that I can use as I am creating my advertisements. So let's come back over here to ChatGPT and let's look at our first one. So we have, you are an expert copywriter who is an expert at writing Google Ads headlines. Obviously update this if you're doing it for different channels. You speak English, you speak in an active voice, use the information above, including my keyword, so teeth whitening, product benefits and selling points, product description, product name 1, 2, and 3 to write 30 unique Google Ads headlines that are 30 characters or less, including spaces. Spaces in the headlines count as characters. These headlines should encourage people to purchase my teeth whitening product, and it should sell customers on the benefits of teeth whitening. Output the list of headlines beneath a heading that says 30 character headlines. So this is the only time I'm going to read the full prompt because most of my prompts are pretty similar to this. You can add more to this, but I found this prompt itself has been just fine in coming up with all sorts of headlines, all sorts of description lines, really any ad copy you need. And then as we scroll down here, you can see 30 character headlines. You can update the heading to say whatever you want. I just wanted to give you an example because what you can do now is take all of this information right here. We can copy it and just easily paste it into a Word document or any document. And then you can easily go back as you are reviewing your advertisements in the future and say, okay, what we have found is that this advanced whitening system headline has been the best headline. Fast and safe white teeth. Whiter smile obsessed, that's been one of our best headlines. So you can kind of come up with, okay, these are some of the best headlines. Let's continue to use these headlines, and some of these headlines that aren't working as well, let's get rid of them. Now what you're going to see is because I use things like game-changing teeth whitening, remove stubborn stains, whiter teeth fast, jaw-dropping teeth, remarkable, unsurpassed, include some of these words in your benefits and selling points, and ChatGPT will give them right back to you in your headlines. So we have 30 different headlines here for Google Ads, and now we're ready to come up with some product descriptions. So basically, same exact thing at the top. Every single prompt, I paste this again because it's just go back and read all this information, ChatGPT, and use all this information to give me the best possible ad copy. You probably don't need to paste this every single time if you're in the same conversation, but to me, it's just take this, paste it, and then paste your prompt right underneath. Now we have descriptions, so we have 90 character descriptions. I put use at least 60 characters for each description lines. And let's scroll down. And we have our 90 character descriptions here. So we could easily come up with Google Ads, responsive search ads by using these different prompts. And keep in mind, I will show you this further down. But if they come up with 30 different headlines here, you can say, can you generate 30 more unique headlines for me? And they will generate 30 more unique headlines. They may repeat headlines, but as you're trying to come up with as many headlines as possible for your responsive search ads, and you don't want every single one to say teeth whitening in them, you can come up with a lot of different ideas very quickly with ChatGPT. So let's keep scrolling down here. Our 90 character descriptions are here. Now we get into Facebook ads. Now for this one, I actually didn't paste it at the top, and it still gave me good ad copy here. So you're an expert copywriter, expert at writing Facebook ads copy and primary text. You speak English, same exact thing, except for this one, we're saying 125 characters or less, spaces count as characters. So we're going to scroll down, and they gave us, let's see, a total of 20 unique Facebook ads primary texts that are 125 characters or less. So we can always check these just to make sure that they're less than 125 characters. So we can just copy this, come over into a character counter, wordcounter.net. This is 116 characters, so we are good there. And you can see, I think that might be the longest one there. So they're all under 125 characters. And again, as you're testing creative with Facebook ads, you want to make sure that you are coming up with as much creative as possible and as much ad copy as possible so that you can figure out what combinations actually work best when you are running your Facebook ads. Now, next, as we scroll down here, this one is going to be, we have the prompt up here at the top, and this one we're saying 27 character headlines, 27 character descriptions. So for Facebook ads, if you're running in the Facebook feed, you could see primary text 125 characters. Anything longer may be truncated. So you can add more characters, but anything longer may eventually get cut off. Headlines, 27 characters are allowed, but anything else may be truncated. So basically what we're trying to do is we want to fit all of our ad copies so that if it's an ad in any different format, nothing is getting cut off. So that's the idea for these first 4 prompts here. We're coming up with responsive search ads. We're coming up with Facebook ads where nothing is going to be cut off. So 27 character headlines and descriptions, same exact thing. It gave those to us. If we come over here, you're going to see very similar prompt again, 27 character headlines, 27 character descriptions, and they do exactly that for both of these. Now keep in mind, you can ask for them to capitalize every word. I would generally go back and capitalize a lot of the words. It depends where you're using the ad copy. So you can always easily change these around. Now you may have things like safe and effective, easy to use. You may not want to use any of those. So again, not every piece of ad copy they give you is something you have to use. You're basically just trying to come up with ideas. So let's keep scrolling down here. Let's see what our next one is. So 40 character headlines, 30 character descriptions. So as we look over here at Facebook and you're running ads in different formats and in different areas, you can see we can do longer text here of 40 and 30. So same exact thing as the 27 and 27. The only thing we really changed is, can you give me headlines that are 40 characters or less and description lines that are 30 characters or less, and 15 of each. So same exact thing here. We have more ad copy that we can use. The other thing that's good is ChatGPT will just abbreviate words where it makes sense. Remove 10 years of stains fast, which when you're writing ad copy, any abbreviation you can use, any way to fit the characters in and get more ad copy out more effectively is always helpful. So coming back over here, we have our 30 character headlines, 125 character primary text, 27, 40, and 30. Now let's just say we're doing this for a ton of different Google Ads keywords. We're creating responsive search ads and we have 100 different ad groups. So we need a bunch of headlines for our responsive search ads. So basically the next one is going to be, if we scroll down, pretty simple. I changed the niche up here to farmhouse curtains. So I'm running a Google Ads campaign, creating responsive search ads. Keyword I'm targeting is farmhouse curtains, sending traffic to a landing page that lists farmhouse style curtains for sale. I need unique headlines, encourage people to click my ads and purchase farmhouse curtains from me. Provide me with 30 headlines that are 30 characters or less, including spaces. Spaces count as characters. Output the list of headlines below. Now, please write in English language is because this is installed down here at the bottom. So that's always added to all of my prompts. So if we keep scrolling down, 30 character headlines, we can copy and paste these right in there. Now, some of these looked a little long. I didn't check all of them, but let's see what. So 32 characters. So you may get some that are a little bit longer. So what I did is I scrolled down here and I said, please generate 30 more headlines that are less than 25 characters. So as there's more spaces, we can make sure we have enough short headlines here. And again, you can ask ChatGPT to generate you more based on the previous prompts, and they will give you more and more ad copy that you can use. So there's really no limitation. You can come up with 200 description lines in really a matter of a couple minutes. So with this, we just came up with 60 different headlines that we can use in our responsive search ads. Some might be a little long at the top, but we have at least probably 50 that we can use. Now, next, if we come back over here, let's do a Facebook ads promotion. So we're going to do 125 characters for a Facebook ads promotion. You could do this for 90 character descriptions too. Again, adjusting your character counts is very easy. Just update your prompt a little bit. If you need whatever number of characters you want to use, you could say, give me ad copy with 10 characters or less, or call to actions that are 10 characters or less. So you can come up with pretty much any possible idea for ad copy. I don't want to go through every single type of ad you can create. Just adjust your prompt and come up with the ad copy that fits your needs. So coming back over here, same thing, we put all of our information at the top, and then I start this prompt with, I'm running a 10% off sale for my teeth whitening product that ends March 31st. I'm also running out of inventory of my product. Now we did, you are an expert copywriter, 125 characters or less, and basically we put, primary text should encourage people to purchase my product and create urgency for my customers, highlight scarcity, and push people to purchase before the sale ends. Output this list. So we scroll down, flash sale, get 10% off before it's gone, last chance, don't miss out, hurry, ready for a brighter smile, sale alert. So basically 10% off for a limited time, products running out fast. So a lot of times they use while supplies last, where basically, if you give it a couple different ideas for your promotion, it will help you create ad copy that is specific to that promotion, selling your products. So this is prompt number 7. So last but not least, let's just say you need long ad copy. Maybe you're running Pinterest ads and you need some long descriptions, whatever it may be. Maybe you just want to have some longer descriptions and then pull out the parts of them that you like best. So let's come back over here and look at my prompt. Now I did a couple different prompts that it didn't take for me. So this third one finally took for me, but if we come down here at the bottom, same thing at the top where we pasted all of our product information. And then what we did down here is 10 unique description ideas that are at least 200 characters, but less than 300 characters total. Then I put again, I need long descriptions that are at least 200 characters. They can't be less than 200 characters. So same thing down here. Now I didn't even change Facebook ads primary text. That's fine. You could just do output the list of descriptions. I was calling them descriptions up at the top. But if we scroll down, under 300 character long descriptions, and you can see they gave us much longer descriptions for our products. So not only can these be useful when you're running ads, you can also use some of these on your website. So if you have a bunch of different product benefits, want to get rid of stubborn stains and discoloration, try this product, the secret to teeth whitening. You can use this across your social media. So this isn't just limited to ad copy, but obviously as we're talking about ad copy here for Google ads, for Facebook ads, coming up with the best possible ads we can, it's really important to not only test your creative where you are running advertisements, but especially for Google ads, testing different types of text ads and not just limiting it to one text ad per ad group. This can make it much easier to create ads quicker, because I know coming up with responsive search ads headlines can be one of the biggest headaches, because you're trying to come up with something unique while still using your targeted keywords and still trying to sell the product. ChatGPT can do a lot of this for you. In addition to the headlines and descriptions that you are writing yourself, use ChatGPT and see if you can outperform them, if they can outperform you. Ultimately, what we're all trying to do is drive more conversions and increase our return on ad spend, really. So if you have any questions about any of this, please leave them in the comments section. I will put this prompt document right in the video description so you can easily download all of these prompts that I used and use any of the prompts that are going to be helpful for you. So hopefully this video is helpful if you are creating ads for your clients, creating ads for your own business. This can be a great way to do it and cut down on time by coming up with your ad copy much quicker and being able to create more ads so you're more efficient in the process. So thank you for watching my video today, and make sure you subscribe to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel.